So we're about 8 weeks away from doing the final install at our Rose Bay project. So I just thought I'd give you guys a look around and let's see how things are coming together. This is our ballroom, as we like to call it. This is the area where the lounge will be. So there'll be a large sofa here, another large sofa over here, a very big rug, and a feature chair with a footstool in this region. There'll be sheer curtains across this facade that can be pulled back to reveal the little seat or otherwise. There's a large dining table planned for here under the beautiful lights from Articolo. So this is one of the pendants, and this is the Starburst pendant from Articolo. We've got a little bar over this side here and lots of storage to support the dining towards the back here. A beautiful gas fireplace with a very large mirror going in over the top, some wallpaper by De Gournay at the back here. I guess the other thing is there's some fluted glass on the side windows. These are just a bit obscured at the moment, but the fluted glass just helps protect, I guess, from the view out to the neighbours and vice versa. And the other really nice thing I think about this room are the beautiful doors that have been designed to come in from the side with the fluted glass and just a very subtle touch of coloured textured glass at the top. So I'm really excited about the laundry. We've got all the tall utilities on one side and all the low stuff on the other side, which means that there's going to be a rail across here that allows for heaps of hanging and drying of items. I also love the fact that there's going to be 2 washers and 2 dryers. Obviously that's a fantasy, right? In a family home. So yeah, it's coming together really well. Once the obscuring is taken off the window, it'll get lovely natural light as well. A big sink, a small kind of dump zone here, so place for putting shoes below, somewhere where you can sit to actually take your shoes off. So this laundry also acts as a little bit of a dump zone for the family as they're entering the home from the front. So the kitchen's coming together really well. Here we have an island that's more than 4 metres long, so it's a very large kitchen. It's very efficient though. In general, the tall utilities are put into clumps. So you've got your wall ovens, a small appliances zone here to the side. It's really nice the way the sink would be under a window here, and it's totally fine because we've got such a lot of space to play with. We've got no upper cupboards because we've got absolutely plenty of storage in the drawers and the cupboards and the pantry, so we really didn't need them, and so it looks beautiful with some polished plaster going in above there. A nice natural timber shelf which can be, decorated, put some cookbooks up there, some of the personal kind of elements that the client wants to use. There's a beautiful, this is a Calcutta island bench. It's interesting because it's actually got hints of green in it, this stone. Every stone is different, so I think this one is quite different actually. It's got sort of coloured sections here, and overall it just leans a little bit green, which I think really works beautifully in this space. The induction cooktop is quite large, as is appropriate in this kitchen. And also in this kitchen they were able to have a walk-in pantry totally separate from the kitchen. So I'll just show you that. So as we come in through here, there's some pocket door type of, it's not all finished yet, but there's pocket doors here for a little bar, or appliances zone, or however they want to use it, coffee. And then as we come through into the walk-in pantry, which also leads to the barbecue zone outside, this layout is just really efficient and effective. So we've got a bank of, I think, 3 or 4 fridges along here. We've got cupboards here that just open to shelving, so all the tall things clumped together, and all the bench height things on this side open, you know, easy. And here we come into the casual family living room at the back, well supported by the kitchen. So here we would dining table. There's a very big woodroom. I think it's a banquet table going in here. And over here we've got a really generous space for the living area and the casual zone. So there's actually another gas fireplace here with more of the beautiful Calacatta stone. The television will go above the fireplace here, in this case, and some natural timber shelving for books and mementos and photos and just nice objects that the client wants to display. So yeah, this will be a very generous room, all leading out to a beautiful terrace outside, which I probably can't, I'll try and open the doors just now. So sorry, every window is obscured a bit. So leading out to the gorgeous terrace, we've made sure that none of the furniture is in your path, so you can proceed outside really easily. There's going to be an outdoor dining zone there with a little bit of banquette seating on the edge of the wall, and then over this side is going to be the outdoor living space. Would you like to see upstairs?